Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today we will be comparing two popular models, the RoVN15LBS portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. We'll dive into their specifications, pricing, and user feedback to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the RoVSUN15LBS portable washing machine is priced at $149 US, which is significantly more expensive than the portable washing machine, which retails for just $59 US. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're on a budget. In terms of capacity, the RoVSUN offers a total of 15 pounds, with a 9 pounds washing capacity and a 6 pounds spinning capacity. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 Ls, but is much lighter and foldable, making it easier to store and transport. This could be a significant factor for users with limited space. The RoVSUN model boasts features like a built-in drain pump and separate timers for washing and spinning, enhancing its functionality. In contrast, the portable washing machine is designed for simplicity, with a foldable design and easy operation, making it user-friendly, especially for those who may not want to deal with complex settings. In conclusion, both the RoVSUN15LBS portable washing machine and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The RoVSUN offers more capacity and advanced features, while the portable washing machine provides affordability and portability. Consider your needs and budget before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.